Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect and use Canva with Gemini AI. If by Canva with Gemini, so firstly, you need to open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down gemini.google.com. And over here, once you get into this interface, on the bottom, there's this plus icon. Click onto this plus icon there and select Canvas. And over here in a new chat, you need to type a prompt mentioning Canva. For example, and after that, click onto this submit, and that is it. This is how you can connect, and Canva will automatically create slides beside this. And once connected, you can ask Gemini to create a new Canva designs, search your Canva project, summarize existing presentations, and read and reply to comments on designs as well. And this is it. This is how you can connect and use Canva with Gemini AI. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.